Was it me?
No.
Me?
No.
Me?
No. It was tennis ball.
Yay! Ooh! I know this particular model can translate basically anything, from languages to animals and even alien speech. I've always wanted to hear what my pet amoeba was thinking.
No chance it has anything nice to say to you. Time to see who's eliminated. If you're safe, you get a sip of this bubble tea.
It's so
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Henderson County in northwest Kentucky, Eastern Union County in northwest Kentucky, Northern Webster County in northwest Kentucky, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles east of Breckenridge Center and moving east at 18 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be 5 miles east of Breckenridge Center by 4:45 p.m., 5 miles south of Corydon by 4:50 p.m., 5 miles south of Roberts by 5:20 p.m., near Sabri by 5:30 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter indoors. Stay tuned to weather radio or local media for the latest severe weather information. In addition to the large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson, Union, and Webster.
Book and Needle are the next safe.
Yay! Whoa! It's either tennis ball or fries getting out, and I won't be sad either way.
But bottom two, I have never experienced this before.
You get used to it after a while.
And the person eliminated is... Fries!
Whatever.
Oh, thank felt I'm safe. Yay!
So, Fries, now that you're eliminated, you get to host alongside...
Bye.
Wait, what? Hold it! You can't just leave!
Yeah, don't